students, I'm your English grammar digital mentor and I am back again with a new chapter which is chapter number 32 of your books, advertisement. So open your books, pick up your pens and let's get started. So we'll start with part A, which is what is an advertisement. An advertisement is a kind of public announcement which is made through a popular media medium like a newspaper, magazine, radio, etc. It is also displayed on the placard as well. You must have observed that the advertisement is generally of around 50 words. The marking is assigned to the students for a correct format and the content. Here, you can check the advertisement writing format and a sample example for the same. It is a notice or announcement made in a public medium promoting a product, service or event or publicizing a job vacancy. There are two types of advertisements. So part B tells us about the types of advertisement. First is classified and second one is commercial. Let's start with classified ads. Classified ads are used by the general masses to promote or use services. They only concern in the classified ads is to get things noticed with as minimum words as possible. Now classified ads are between the range of 50 words, clearly state of category like for sale, to let, etc. Third point says put the matter in a box, then give contact address, mobile number, etc. Now types of classified ads. First is situation or vacant. Second is sale and purchase. Third is educational, then matrimonial, then tuitions, then kennel. Then it can be lost and found, accommodation, placement services, to let, packers and movers, tours and travels. Now next is commercial ads. On the other hand, commercial or display advertisements are given by leading manufacturers, establishment, organizations, etc. for the publicity and promotion of their products, services or some events. Now let's see some main characteristics. First one is it is designed for commercial purpose. It takes more space and is more expensive in terms of advertising costs. These are visually more attractive with varying font, shape and size. There are catchy slogans, punchlines with witty expression with picture or sketches. Do not forget to mention the name of the company or institute or organizers, etc. Mention the details of the product, event or educational course, etc. if there is any special discount. Mention the address of the company, institute or organization, etc. Now let's see the format for sale or purchase of property or asset. These types of ads start with sale, purchase or wanted. Give a brief description of the property or the vehicle or the good. In case of property, mention the number of floors, size, number of rooms, location and the surroundings and price per square feet. In case of vehicle, mention the color, model, accessories, year, modifications if any, price, mileage and condition. For household goods, mention the condition, the price offered or expected. Now let's see the format for missing person. Here we have to mention the physical description like height, complexion, etc. Name, age and any other health related issues. Any identifying features like clothes, accessories, etc. Place where the person was last seen. Mention the detail of the reward if there is any, address and phone number. Now next is format for situation vacant type. Always start with wanted or required. Do not forget to mention the name of the organization. Clearly state the number of vacancies and post for which the advertisement is about. If stated, mention the age and gender of the candidate, qualifications and experience required for the post. Mention the pay scale, perks and also the mode of applying, address and contact number for correspondence. Now next is format for to let ads. Always start with wanted or available, expected rent, address and mobile number to contact. Now next is format for tours and travel. Start with package available, write the name of the travel agency, mention the name of the destination and duration of the trip, price and any special discounts if available, and contact address and phone number. Now Here is the format for classified advertisement writing. So whenever we write advertisement, we start with the heading that should be in capital letters. Here you can see this advertisement is starting with situation vacant, wanted a small, confident PA or stenographer for a leading export house, qualification, graduation, age 25 to 30 years, typing speed 40 words per minute, shorthand speed 100 words per minute, preference to those who can handle a computer, salary negotiable, apply with complete biodata by 15th July to the Secretary, Orient Export House, South Extension, Delhi, and at last give your phone numbers. So this was the content or the body. Now let's see some more examples of advertisement. Here the first one is you are Aman or Shalini of 18, Ashok Vihar, Assam, and wish to let out your newly built house. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words for publication in the to-let column of the Times of India, giving all necessary details. So here you have to write the advertisement related to this question. Similarly, there can be some educational advertisement also. For example, MRIU Faridabad is offering admission in various undergraduate courses like BTech, BSc, LLB, etc. Eligibility should be class 12th pass. Course fee rupees 2500, payable quarterly. Excellent faculty, research labs, hostel available. Last date to submit application form is 17th March. Contact the Assistant Secretary MRIU or phone, and the phone number is given. So here also you have to write the advertisement. Similarly, lost and found advertisement can also be there. So you have to practice as much as you can and write these advertisements in your notebooks. And if you have any doubt related to anything, you can refer your teacher. So with that, we come to an end of this chapter. I hope you understood today's session. We'll meet in the next session with a new chapter. Till then, bye-bye and take care.